Want to learn how to add a cover photo to your Reels and capture your audience's attention from the get-go? Let me show you how it's done. I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to add cover photo to your Reels. Now, without any delay, let's get right into it. First, open Instagram. Then, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Go to Reel. I already have a Reel in my draft. To change the cover page, tap on Edit Cover. Go to Add from Camera Roll. Now select the picture of your liking. Then tap Done at the top right. And that's it. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.